Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to print detailed list of all files in a folder, then watch this video. Now what do I mean by detailed list? Let me show you. I have this folder, alright, and I want to know exactly when everything was created, on what date, at what time, and what is the file size, etc. And I want a list of it in my notepad. So for that, I will enter I will enter, let me go to that folder again. Here I will enter CMD and press enter. Now a command prompt window will open and I need to type in the command dir space greater than space list dot txt and press enter. Now nothing happened, but something has happened in the folder itself. I have generated a list in the folder of whom I wanted the details of the files in which of the folder. So I'll open the list, and in notepad I can see volume is in drive C, volume number is so and so, this is the directory, and in the directory on so and so date I have, at so and so time, I have created a directory named blue scenario, the name of the file type, and all this, so forth and so on. Now what if I want the file path? So what I can do is I can click all of these. Now I'll delete this list. Okay, I'll click all of these in the folder. I'll go to options, these three buttons on top, and then I will click copy path. I will open the notepad, and then I can also get the path, control V. So you see I have the path of all the individual files or folders in the particular folder, and that's how you create a details list of all the files in the folder. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.